So food just came. Wait till you see this. Hello, explorers. David here with the sun in his eyes at the Cheesecake Factory. We are here for lunch today to celebrate the beginning of Jen's birthday. We're going to go inside. We're going to have some food. We're going to have some good treats. It's going to be a lot of fun. Come on, let's go explore. Let's go explore some food. We're doing Big Guy's food review today from Cheesecake Factory. We're starting to celebrate Jen's birthday a little early. So we came over to Cheesecake Factory because it's one of our favorite places. And it's Sunday, so we're getting brunch. Well, at least Bella is. Bella got the cinnamon roll pancakes. Jen ordered the Cuban sandwich with Caesar?
With
side of Caesar. And I got, what'd I get?
And you got some chicken.
I got a fried chicken sandwich.
With fries.
So we're going to give it a go and give you a little Big Guy's food review. Non-Disney, which is, I know seems probably odd, but happy birthday, Jen. And let's go have some fun. Let's explore some food. You know how much I like food. So, as soon as it comes out, we'll take some pictures, take a look at it, see what's what, and kind of go from there. So stay tuned. Big Guy's food review coming up. So food just came. Wait till you see this. So those are the pancakes that are the cinnamon swirl pancakes. There's enough for all of us. That little girl right there is supposed to eat all of that.
I don't think so. I'm not going to eat all of it.
I don't think so either. Here is the whatever I ordered, some kind of chicken. And then there's the Cuban. Oh, it's really good. I need to listen to my wife. I should definitely try those more often. So you know our rule, we don't eat on camera. But we're going to go house this and see what happens. It looks phenomenal. So we come here all the time, so I don't expect it not to be good. But we'll be back afterwards with our review. So, just finished up. It was okay. It wasn't great. Bella, wait, you gotta see this. It's like she didn't even start eating it. And the kid, look at her. She's about to pass out. She ate so much. She's ready to take a nap. So we have 3 days worth of pancakes left. So mine was basically Zaxby's Zingers. And for 16 bucks. Chicken kind of sucked. Overall meal, I'll tell you, it had pickles on it and cheese and coleslaw. Coleslaw was actually really good. Pickles were good. It was paired well. The chicken was burnt a little bit. It was kind of eh. It was basically 3 sliders, as you saw. It was, I'm going to give it a C. If I have to include the price, I give it a D. Because I paid 16 bucks for Zaxby's. And to be honest with you, Zaxby's is better. So, everyone always says, why do I get the same food wherever I go? It's because I like it. Should have gotten hamburger or glam burger. But it is what it is. And Jen's looks like it was really good. It's funny because she always tells everybody she doesn't like pork. Yet she had pork in Epcot the other night. And she had a Cuban sandwich, which is pork. So Fibber. I think she loves pork. And she just doesn't want to tell anybody. Because she's just about done with hers. And she plowed through it, and she should, because it looked really, really good. So with that, we are going to be bringing a piece of cheesecake home with us because we're all full. Bella looks like she's ready for a nap. So we're going to wrap up our Big Guy's food review with this. The Cuban was a solid A. The pancakes are an A+. I tried them. They're fantastic. Plus, there's leftovers for 3 days. Mine was a C-, D+. I wouldn't eat it again. So next time I come back, I'll review the burger I normally eat. Until next time, thanks for coming along. Thanks for coming to the Cheesecake Factory with us. By the way, if you've never been to Cheesecake Factory, go review their menu. It's about 491 pages long. So go enjoy it. And their brunch is usually phenomenal. I should have stuck with brunch. I could have gotten eggs. If you've never come for their brunch, it's till 2 o'clock on Sundays. It's really, really good. I recommend the build your own omelet. But until then, Big Guy's Food Review. We're done. So we just wrapped up at Cheesecake Factory. As I said, food was decent. We always have a good meal here. I just happened to pick something new because I wanted to try something different. I won't do that again. No, I'm just kidding. Otherwise my food reviews would be boring. So it was a really good time. Happy birthday to my wife. We're going to be doing this all week. We're going to be having all different kinds of food. So between the parks and different restaurants. So stay tuned as we go through the craziness of our different food reviews, and we'll tell you what's great around Orlando. We live over by Windermere, so there'll be tons of restaurants in and out of Orlando, the Lake Buena Vista area. So stay tuned. This way, if you're coming down on vacation and you want to get off property, and you want to take a look at some other different foods, we'll give you some idea where to go. So let's wrap up. Thanks for staying tuned today. We really appreciate it. Have a great one. Hey everybody, thanks for watching. Please subscribe and please share the video. We need all the help we can get right now as we grow our channel. And again, thanks for watching.